Hello everybody, this is Navika Pathak and today we are going to learn how to divide any number by 5. So, our first number is 16. First we have to multiply it by 2. Then we get 12. 6, 6 2s are 12. 2 1s are 2, 3. 32. Then we have to add a decimal after leaving a digit from the back. So the answer is 3.2.
Our next number is 72 divided by 5.
First we have to multiply 72 by 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 and 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. So our answer is 144. Then we have to place a decimal after leaving a digit from the back. So our answer is 14.4. Our next digit is 641 divided by 5. We have to multiply 641 by 2. 1 2s are 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 4 ones are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 6 2s are 12. So our answer is 1282. Then we have to add a decimal after leaving a digit from the back. So our answer is 128.2. So our next number is 138 divided by 5. First we have to multiply it by 2. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. 1 carry 6. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 7. 2 ones are 2. So after multiplying we get 276. Then we have to place a decimal after leaving a digit from the back. So the answer is 27.6. Then our next number is 5231 divided by 5. Then we have to multiply it by 2. 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So after multiplying we get 10,462. Then we have to place a decimal after leaving a digit from the back. So our answer is 1046.2. So our next digit is 1233 divided by 5. First we have to multiply it by 2. 3 1 the 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 1 2s are 2. So after multiplying we get 2466. Then we have to place a decimal after leaving a digit from the back. So our answer is 246.6. So that's all for today. Hope you understood the topic how to divide any number by 5. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye. Meet you in the next video.